Are you a video content creator and unable to afford fancy studios? Or want to transform your boring video background into something truly mesmerizing? For someone who loves to explore artificial intelligence? In this video, we will learn how you can transform your video using generative AI and create some amazing video backgrounds like this, or maybe like this one. Now, without further ado, let's explore how to create fake studios using AI. Amazing part is that we are going to use free AI tools easily available. So, let's get started. I have created a sample video which I am going to use for demonstration on how you can also create some cool video studio using AI. For this demo video, I have used stock footage and added a dull and boring background. Have a look at the video. Let's transform it. We would be creating fake studios in 4 simple steps. First, record a video of yourself. Make sure to keep the camera still. Secondly, take a snapshot from a video. Thirdly, create a fake background using AI. And for this, we would be using the Generative fill feature of Adobe Firefly. Fourthly, editing and exporting. Woohoo! Your video is ready. Let's start with step 1. I will be using this video which has a boring background. Take a snapshot from a video. For the snapshot, I am using VidMix software. This is how you can take a snapshot. Here's my snapshot. For creating AI backgrounds, I am going to use Generative AI by Adobe Firefly. Go to Adobe Firefly website by using this link, or simply search Adobe Firefly on Google. Scroll to Generative Fill feature and click on Create with Firefly. Sign in using Gmail. It will ask you to agree to user guidelines. Click Agree. Here we have to upload a snapshot from step 2. Now we can add and remove things from the snapshot. Let's start adding decor by writing a text prompt and wait for AI to do its magic. Here I am adding table, wall decor, and some greenery. Look. To remove the watermark, go to website, upload a background that was created using Adobe Firefly. Use a brush and this tool will remove it. Download your background. Our studio is ready. Let's move to the last step, that is adding a new background to the video. For this, I am using Filmora video editing software. Import your video and newly created AI background. Place the background image at the bottom and the original video at the top of the background image. Select the masking option. Here I am using rectangular mask. Simply just like this. Let's play and check if everything is fine. Now export and your video is ready. Look how we transformed a video with a dull background into one with a stunning backdrop. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow content creators. And for more exciting tutorials, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Goodbye.